tell us about agents and how some of their activities affect many people, right? So tell us, because there's recently somebody who went for the interview, put on administrative process. They say we will verify your documents, and they realize that he has altered the DS1s, the I-20. Changed the amount on the scholarship, improved it, and changed some issues on the I-20.
Yes.
And when I asked him, he said it is the agent who suggested that, oh, this is what we have been doing. You go through, don't worry. So the problem is that there are a lot of agents in the system, people who claim to be agents. They are legitimate people. There are some people who have gone through training. There are even immigration lawyers and experts who have established immigration firms to support people. They are there. And we have those casual, out of polytechnic people and senior high school people and national service people who watch videos, go through the process, understand. They've
not been to the US before.
Yes, they understand
they
the
don't
process.
have a US visa.
Yes, but they have never even gone through the process before.
Yes.
And sometimes they are able to help people, yes, go through the process, get the visa, but sometimes their advice is very brutal and not helpful for some.
Corrupt,
if I should say. So what advice will you give to people? And sometimes I don't understand when you are a graduate from the University of Ghana, University of Nigeria, or whatever, and you are giving your DS160 to somebody you barely know to fill for you, and you don't care to cross-check.
Yes.
As a graduate, you want to, you don't
coming to study in the US.
You are giving those people your passport details, your birth certificate. Virtually, you are giving them your life.
Yes.
And you don't care what they put on the system, because they say they are experts.
Yes.
They say they understand the process.
Yes.
That is risky, right?
That's
so even if you assuming you reach out to me and I say, okay, I'm willing to help you. But you must be responsible for everything I put on the DS160 form.
Yes.
You must question and ask,
yes.
Why are you putting this? And if you're not okay with something, you tell me, no,
yes.
I don't agree. No, yeah. This is my DS160. I don't want you to put this information.
Yes,
right?
we probably should talk about this, because it is possible. We have to remind people that it is possible. If you are a graduate student, you've gone through bachelor's.
Yeah.
You have some level of high school, you can read and write. It is very possible that you can fill out the DS160 yourself. If you have been able to apply to an institution and been accepted into the institution, you can go through this visa process yourself. There's nothing like any hidden knowledge or something like that.
Yeah.
Everything is public knowledge, like the visa laws and the eligibility requirements and the supplementary documents and everything that you need to pass and so on and so forth. They are all public information. It's all clearly published on the USCIS website, and everybody can have access to it.
Yeah.
To the agent's issue, I think that people should be extra careful. Right, because like you rightly said, there's some great people out there who are very experienced.
Yeah.
They're actually trained. Some people are actually even immigration lawyers, right, who can help you review the thing, be legitimate about their work, and be very professional about their work. That's fine.
Give you good suggestions.
But there are so many of them who are realizing also that study abroad is a big industry right now. It's a big business. A lot of people are moving across nations to go and study, and they are plugging themselves into that industry just so that they can make some money. And those people, they usually don't have any experience. They've not even filled out any application for themselves before. They don't know how the US education system works. They don't have visas for themselves, and they're just trying to convince you so that they can make some little extra money.
Yeah.
Those people, you have to be aware of them, and you will know, right? You will know if you are engaging these people or encountering these people by the questions you ask them. And I think you rightly said it. One of the big things that one of the big mistakes that most graduate students do is they don't ask questions.
Yes.
They're just so afraid of the system. If somebody projects themselves to be an expert, they just leave everything to the person. That's wrong, right? There's no way you should fill out a form, an important form for that matter, as the visa form, right? And not let somebody do it for you and not go over it.
Yeah.
Just to be sure that it's your name on it.
Yeah.
And just to be sure that everything that the person says about you in the form is actually you.
Yeah.
I think that's wrong.
Yeah.
Right? Also, just to say, if any agent, I'm not saying like don't go to agent, but if any agent fills out a form and doesn't invite you to review the thing with him or her, I don't think this is a good agent.
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Yeah, you must have an idea of what he or she is
see what is
putting.
going on.
Yeah.
You should be involved in the process.
Yeah.
It's not illegal to get help.
Yes.
Everybody gets help.
Yeah.
Right? We all get help. We help ourselves all the time.
Yeah.
Right? But I don't think that the help that you need should be apart from you. It
Yeah.
shouldn't be like, it should
go
be
and
somebody
sleep
doing
and-
it
yeah.
for you. Just take $1,000 and do everything for me and all of that. One more thing about agents and working with people for help is people or agents who generally will promise you guaranteed visa.
Yeah.
Just pay me this a little more money.
And
I will fill out your form for you. I'll do everything for
You'll
you.
get
And
a
the visa
visa.
will be granted.
Yeah.
I know somebody inside who can help you, whatever. I can call somebody and they will make it happen. Forget it. It's not possible. It is not, right? This visa process is as fair as, like, whoever would do the hard work,
Yeah.
whoever will go through the process, if you qualify, you qualify.
Yeah.
You don't need to know anybody at all in whatever embassy. In fact, it is possible that you even know somebody there if you don't qualify.
Yeah.
You don't qualify.
They don't
That's how
qualify.
it works. There's no way anybody can guarantee you visa based on an internal relationship that they have. The process is the process. If you follow the process, it will bring you the result. If you don't follow the process, that's it. It will not bring you the result.
Okay.